Hi everyone, I continue the digital marketing series with this video. In the past, I did the On Page SEO series. Now it is the Off Page SEO series. And to start off, I will talk about Off Page SEO techniques that work, and it is about guest posting. What is guest posting? How to do it in 3 steps that I will share here. And more importantly, how does it help your web pages get to the first page of search results? Let's discuss in this video. Before I continue, here's a gentle reminder. Please remember to subscribe and click the notification button to get updates whenever I publish a new video. Years ago, I owned a digital marketing agency. A reputable online magazine asked if we could write an article for them. The idea was to write an article as a guest writer. I gave the green light and had my content writer create a few articles. We submitted it to the online magazine. They liked it and it was published. As a result, we got some backlinks from this. And the backlinks help increase our website ranking to the first page of Google search results. This is an example of guest posting. It really works to increase your web page's search rankings. The first step that you need to do is to strategize. You need to have a clear plan on where you would like to do guest posting and which sites you will do guest postings on, and what are the factors to look out for. For example, you might consider writing only for sites that are in your niche or industry. Like the case study above that I mentioned about my digital agency, I was alright to do guest posting for the online magazine. And that is only because they publish articles that are related to business and marketing. As a digital marketing agency, that matches our industry. Plus, it was an opportunity to show businesses in Singapore and the world who we are and what we are capable of. That covered the second thing to consider, target audience. Make sure that you're contributing to a site that has a target audience that is interested in your business, your products, and services. Another thing to consider is to make sure that they have an engaged readership. Check out their website and social media. See if their audience is commenting on their websites and on social media. See that they are active on social media too. Are they sharing the articles? Are they engaging their audience? And if possible, also check if their site has high authority. Here's the second step. When a well-known online magazine or website knocks on your door and asks you to write a guest blog post, like the case I mentioned earlier, you grab it. Another way to find guest post opportunity is to search on Google to find sites that accept guest posts. For example, if you're in the health and wellness niche and you have narrowed down to focus on meditation, then you might do a Google search with the keywords meditation guest posts. Here we see search results of such a search, and you get a search result of pages of sites that are open to guest postings. You can write to each of them and offer to write an article for them and see how it goes. Another option is to approach famous sites or bloggers within your niche. I'm sure you know some famous sites and bloggers in your niche. After all, if you're blogging about something you're interested in, you would have looked them up before, wouldn't you? Right? So now that you know who they are, you can also write to them. Offer to write an article for them. In the third step, these are things you need to look out for. Again, make sure that the site or blog you are approaching is related to your niche and industry. The best is that the site has good authority, and this will give you a high quality backlink. Before you write to the site or blog, do some homework. Read the terms and conditions they have. If a site or blog does not offer you any backlink, you might reconsider writing to them. And if they are suitable, follow all the guidelines, terms, and conditions. Also, Follow how they would like you to reach out to them. Some sites like you to pitch an idea for an article. Some prefer you to write in a certain format. So understand all that. Go through all the guidelines, terms and conditions and follow them. As I mentioned before, guest posting does work for SEO. With the backlink earned, it can help your web pages increase in search ranking. Just make sure you follow the 3 steps that I mentioned earlier. Step 1, what to consider before doing guest posting. Step 2, which sites to do guest posting for. And step 3, things to watch out for. And of course, naturally, you need to write the article too. Do you have any questions about guest posting? Let me know in the comments below. And again, remember to subscribe and click the notification button to receive updates whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.